It's time to learn introduction questions.
Tell me about the kind of accommodation you live in.
My family and I reside in a spacious apartment featuring 4 bedrooms, a guest room, and a generously sized dining area. Situated on the 4th floor of a multi-story building, our home boasts a picturesque view and is conveniently located near the town center. The welcoming neighborhood further enhances our living experience.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family, totaling 4 members. Each of us enjoys the luxury of having our own room, providing the privacy we increasingly appreciate as we grow older. Despite the spaciousness of our home, it retains a cozy and inviting atmosphere that I find quite pleasant.
How long have you lived there?
Growing up, my family moved around a lot, but we've been in our current home for almost a decade now. I find that this apartment surpasses our previous ones in many ways. Each of us has our own private space, yet we also enjoy a spacious dining area where we can gather for meals or to watch TV together for hours on end.
What's your favorite room in your home?
My bedroom holds a special place in my heart as it's where I spend the majority of my time, enjoying my personal sanctuary. The ceiling, adorned with charming lights, is elegantly painted white, complementing the walls that boast a soothing salmon pink hue. Equipped with essential amenities, my room caters to all my needs, featuring an efficient air conditioner, a spacious TV, a functional cabinet, a luxuriously comfortable bed, and a cozy recliner. Additionally, the convenience of having an attached bathroom adds to the appeal of this space, ensuring both comfort and functionality.
What sort of accommodation would you most like to live in?
Living in a house holds greater appeal for me, compared to residing in an apartment. Nonetheless, the escalating demand for housing in city centers has made buying or renting a property there nearly impractical. Consequently, we are currently satisfied with our current residence. However, if presented with the opportunity, I would opt to relocate to a town and invest in a spacious home featuring a charming front lawn.
Why do you think some people invest a huge amount of money in buying houses?
People acquire real estate for diverse purposes, with privacy being paramount in my view. As the proprietor, you gain significant autonomy and freedom to implement desired enhancements. Moreover, ownership instills a profound sense of belonging. Regardless of its size, your abode becomes your exclusive domain.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.